Okay, let's dive into how to build the perfect, elegant handbag collection. Ever get that feeling you've got tons of bags, but somehow never the right one? The solution is actually simpler than you think. It really just comes down to this one number. This is the whole concept of the 5-bag wardrobe, designed for ultimate versatility. So let's look at the complete collection we're about to build together. First up, we've got the foundation of any great collection, the tote. It's really designed for those days when you simply need to carry more. So, the crucial point is its unmatched practicality for your busiest days. Next, let's move to the bag that gives you the ultimate freedom. This one is all about mobility and convenience, keeping your hands totally free. It's just ideal for days when you only need essentials, like your phone and wallet. All right, now for a bag that instantly elevates your daytime look. The top handle bag creates such a ladylike and intentional silhouette. This is a brilliantly polished choice for any of your more structured events. So what about that tricky transition from a daytime meeting to an evening out? The shoulder bag is the absolute perfect bridge between casual and formal. It's more elevated than a tote, but more relaxed than a clutch. So how do you choose? It's really about the specific look you're aiming for. And finally, we have the essential piece for your most formal occasions. The clutch is the go-to when you only need your bare essentials. Yeah, think lipstick, keys, and cards for maximum elegance and minimal fuss. And there you have it, your complete toolkit for any event. With just these 5 styles, you're prepared for anything, from errands to galas. This makes you think, what's the next piece you need to complete your collection?